With moisturizing my lips with this Eva lip balm, and this is for moisturizing lip balm, so that I'm using this one. Primer, I'm going with this Garnier Light Complete White Speech Serum Cream. I blend this BB cream and it gives a very flawless look. I love that. And I'm going to blend these with my hands. With two different BB creams and one foundation. Firstly, I want to mix two BB creams and later I'll go with the foundation. Fair and Lovely BB cream and Spinz BB cream. Two BB creams with this baby oil so that it will become more smoother. Spinz BB cream back of my hand. Just that much. And I'm going to add a Fair and Lovely BB cream as well. And Spinz BB cream is a bit lighter for me, and Fair and Lovely BB cream is a bit darker for me. Baby oil. And you could choose an essential oil as well, but I'm going to use a baby oil. I'm going to mix. This BB cream mixture blends very easily, like very easily. I love this BB cream, and it gives a very natural look when you took both individually, but if you mix them both, it will give a good coverage. I blend this BB cream and it gives a very flawless look. I love it. I'm going to take this Lakme 905 Weightless Mousse Foundation, and all the shades will be mentioned down the description box, and I'm going to apply this on my face. And so yes, this is how my face looks like after I blended the Lakme 905 Weightless Mousse Foundation. Now let's go with the concealer without any further ado. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25, which is a bit darker for my skin tone. So I'm going to use this as my highlighting concealer. And I'm just applying this at my under eyes, not at any other point of my face. Now let's blend. Done with blending the concealer as well. Now let's go with setting the base, and I'm going to take this Covergirl compact and I'm going to take this MAC powder brush, and now let's apply this compact onto my face. And applying compact is very important thing even for my skin in winters, because even in winters my skin tend to get oily all the time, so it's very important. I apply a lot of compact powder, so I'm not going to show you the full length application of compact powder onto my face. And so for eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Profusion palette. I'm going to take this particular shade upon my eyes and this time, because you will know the thing which has happened before in the bloopers. Wait for that. And I'm going to take this white color. I hope you could see. So now I'm done with inner corners as well. Now let's go with the waterline. With the green color, which is this color, and I'm going to apply that at my waterline. With waterline as well. Yes, I'm getting a little bit of tears, but yes, I should hold on. LA Girl So Cheeky palette, and in the shade Hot and Spice, and I'm going to take this particular color as my blush on. I applied a lot of blush, so I'm going to damp this so that